If you are looking for a sugar daddy, it's a very rare that you will found one with the Egyptians. I don't believe you're Egyptian. Kunjus. Like, your belief isn't required. Kuripot yan sila. Wait ka lang, pag may pera na yan, mas gusto nila kalahin nila. Ha 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 ha. Low maintenance ka lang girl, kaya nagtsatsaga yan. Ha ha ha. Not one of them. Most of the Egyptians outside the country, they like to marry a different nationality. Hi guys, good evening. So it's very late at night. It's already 1:30 a.m. here in Egypt. I just want to make a video about this comment here in my TikTok account. Actually, I just found it this night. That's why I decided to make a video. It was last February, my post. It's about the Valentine's Day. She commented actually first. What she said is, I don't believe you're Egyptian. Kunjus. It means he is tight with the money. Then I just replied her, like, your belief isn't required. And this night, I'm just browsing some comments. Even it was long time back. That's why I found it out that she actually replied my comment. What she said, ha? Kinig kayo guys. Kuripot yan sila. Wait ka lang, pag may pera na yan, mas gusto nila kalahin nila. Ha 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 ha. Low maintenance ka lang girl, kaya nagtsatsaga yan. Ha ha ha. Actually, I have so many haters here. I'm not sure why I have so many haters in my TikTok account, guys. And she is one of them. She is a very big fan of mine. I already talked about this before, like being tight, the Egyptians. Most of the people are thinking that they are very tight with the money, but actually, they just know how to spend their money. If you encounter some Egyptian, or maybe you have in your past relationship an Egyptian and he don't actually spend much of money, or I don't know what is your category level for spending money with you. You want him to buy Dior, Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Hermes bag. Hello girl. If you are looking for a sugar daddy, it's a very rare that you will found one with the Egyptians. You must look with the Americans because there's a lot of American old men looking for a young partner to take care of them, and they can also spend money. I always tell this, if you are watching my video from the past, not all the Egyptians are the same. So not all their fingers are the same. If you don't know, Egyptians are known for being a generous man. If your Egyptian don't spend money, remember this, Egyptian knows how to choose to whom they will spend their money with. And if you think all the Egyptians want to marry only Egyptians, don't include my husband, not one of them. Most of the Egyptians outside the country, they like to marry a different nationality. Reading your comment actually makes me feel so sad for you because I am 100% that you've been struggling before, you've been hurt by an Egyptian guy. And when you're saying I'm a low maintenance only, that's why my husband is staying with me, that's actually referring yourself. You're actually referring yourself because you are seeing yourself in that way. You know, I am really so lucky having my husband. I am so thankful to God that I have my husband. In Jesus' name, this is the only thing I can tell you. Get well soon. And, you know, I am so lucky and I'm so proud having my Egyptian husband because we actually grow together. We are been together for a decade now. So I know my husband very well. I don't need to explain. I don't need to show anything to prove what I am saying to you. I know it. I just knew it from the first time I saw my husband. From the first day I met him. Do you believe that when you see your soulmate, it's just, it's something different. Even I don't expect that I am going to marry this guy. And girl, if you are not yet married, you will know it when you get married, being a partner together. Your husband is not the only one should spend for you, and you're just spending. You just want to have a lavish, glamorous life, and your husband just keep working, and you're just requesting anything what you want. Sometimes I am thinking that these people commenting on my social media, the haters or big fan of mine, I think they are some of my, I think they are some of those people that I knew before. I think I know you, but I'm not really sure because the words also you're saying, how you're speaking is actually near, very near with that person. But by the way, there's no problem. Whatever it is, you can put anything you want in the comment section, and I will love to hear anything from you. You're very welcome. One last thing, I just want to say thank you for your comment, and I will be more glad to see your comment here in this comment section on my YouTube channel. Inshallah, I'll see you. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. We will read more comment and I will let you know on my next video. See ya! Bye!